In this demonstration video, we will see how HexaSync connected between QuickBooks and BigCommerce. As you can see, this is the BigCommerce dashboard. In the product menu, this product hasn't existed yet. Now I will create this product in QuickBooks dashboard. After complete, refresh the BigCommerce product menu. QuickBooks product information are automatically synced into BigCommerce via HexaSync. HexaSync has successfully connected between QuickBooks and BigCommerce. Hexa, connecting applications, automating processes,